Club, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take off this this stick that you can hook to your bird's cage. Yeah. So first, what you're going to do is all you're going to need to do is just take off this Tony piece. I don't know what to call it. Let me show you guys. Oh, sorry, I had that piece right here. This piece, this Tony piece, not this piece. But yeah. Okay, so yeah. So I'm sorry if you hear my mom in the background. She's talking to Gizmo or Bunny at it. So you're just gonna turn that piece and make it loose. Keep turning it, and then it'll come looser. And you're also gonna have to insert your hand into the cage. And Harley is just right there eating. Make sure you don't want to lose this piece, because if you lose it, then you won't be able to get this piece on. So this is what it looks like. That piece, you're just gonna have to turn that piece off. Then you're just gonna have to take this piece off, and then you have it off like that. And then it comes with this piece, which tell me all about it. You're just gonna have to take this piece. You have to leave this piece on all the way to the side, like this, like that. And then I'm gonna show you how to put it back on. And this is the stick that I'm using. It's wooden stick. And then all you need to do is just leave that on. You're just gonna put it anywhere you like. I'm just gonna put it right here, like that. Oh, maybe a little bit. Yeah. So you're just gonna put it anywhere you like, and then make sure it's always, like, the stick part is always closed up right there. Sorry, I have my hand in front of it. Always closed up right there. So so it won't be the metal piece sticking out. Yeah. So then you're just gonna take this other piece, and you're just going to want to insert your hand into it, and you're just going to want to push it. So it'll be this metal piece out on the inside, and this other metal piece in the inside. And then you're just going to want to take your this knob thingy that you turn, and just hook it onto right here, and just keep turning it. You want to make sure all the metal pieces are together. Oh, it's kind of hard doing it. Holly's probably wondering what I'm doing. So you're just going to want to turn this. You have to turn it as tight as you can so the stick won't fall off if your bird is on it. So you just have to turn it as high as you can so it won't be as wobbly. This is the stick is moving. This is good. I want to like that. And this is how you take it off and put it onto your cage. Yeah. Okay, so Holly doesn't want to come out. So this is what it should look like. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this video and subscribe, and yeah, and bye.